flood warning continues for the Assenbrook River at Maynard. From this morning to late Tuesday night, or until the warning is canceled. At 11:15 p.m. Sunday, the stage was 4.7 feet. Flood stage is 5.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. The river will rise above flood stage by mid-morning and continue to rise to near 5.3 feet by this evening. The river will fall below flood stage by tomorrow evening. Impact at 5.0 feet. Minor lowland and backyard flooding is likely along reaches of the river in Maynard, Concord, as well as Hudson. Several river roads may also become covered in water. Winter weather advisory remains in effect until 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday.